Future of global legal practice. Today we will discuss an important and forward-looking topic for law students and practicing advocates. Topic is future of global legal practice. The legal profession is undergoing significant transformation, globalization, technological innovations, and cross-border business transactions are reshaping. However, all legal services are delivered across the world. Understanding these changes is essential for lawyers who wish to build sustainable and internationally relevant career. Globalization of legal services. Over the past few decades, business transactions have become increasingly international. Companies now operate across multiple jurisdictions and commercial agreements frequently involve parties from different countries. As a result, lawyers must often deal with legal issues including cross-border contract, international commercial arbitration, international regulatory compliance, multinational corporate transactions. These trends has created a demand for lawyers who understand both domestic law and international legal framework. Rise of international arbitration. One of the most significant developments in global legal practice is the growth of international arbitration. Businesses often prefer arbitration as a mechanism for solving cross-border disputes because it provides flexibility and neutrality. Lawyers are expert in arbitration law and international dispute resolution and increasingly involved in complex global disputes. Many international arbitration proceedings involve lawyers from multiple jurisdictions working together on a single matters. Increasing importance of international legal qualification. Another important trend is the growing importance of international legal qualification. Lawyers who obtain the professional recognition in multiple jurisdictions often find broader career opportunities. For example, professional examination regulated by the Solicitor Regulatory Authority provides a pathway for a lawyer to qualify as Solicitor of England and Wales. Such qualification allow lawyers to engage with international legal practice and cross-border transactions. Role of technology in legal practice. Technology is also transforming the legal practice. Digital research tools, artificial intelligence system, and online dispute resolution provide platforms are changing how lawyers work. Legal professionals must now develop technological literacy in addition to traditional legal skills. Technology enables lawyers to collaborate with the international teams and clients more efficiently. Interdisciplinary legal practice expertise. Modern legal practice increasingly require interdisciplinary expertise. Lawyers working on international matter may often understand areas such as finance and corporate governance, international trade regulation, intellectual property protection, data protection and privacy law. The ability to integrate legal knowledge with other professional disciplines is becoming an important advantage in global legal practice. Opportunity for Indian lawyers. Indian lawyers are well positioned to practice in global legal practice. India legal system is based on a common law principle which are shared by many international jurisdictions with appropriate qualification, professional skills and international exposure. Indian lawyers can contribute to cross-border legal work in areas such as international arbitration, corporate law and global regulatory advisory. Preparing for the future. Lawyers who wish to succeed in their future of global legal practice should focus on several key areas: continuous legal education, international legal qualification, professional networking, development of analytical and commercial skills, adapting to evolving legal landscape requires both academic preparation and practical professional experience. Vision to conclude, the future of the global legal practice is characterized by legal international collaboration, technology innovation, and multidisciplinary expertise. Lawyers who prepare themselves for these changes will be better equipped to participate in the global legal profession by developing international legal knowledge and professional skills. Lawyers can contribute meaningfully to the evolving landscape of legal practice. Thank you for watching. I am Dr. Saurabh Kapoor. Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor. If you have any query about the lecture today, just comment me down or WhatsApp me and my number. Okay, my details of to contact me is provided in the description of this video. Thank